Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss about isotopes. Isotope word is basically taken from the two Greek words, isos and the tops. Isos mean same and the tops mean position. It means the same place. By word, the isotopes word has meaning the same place. So the meaning behind the name is that the different isotopes of the single element occupy the same position on the periodic table. Basically, this word refers to the position of the elements in the periodic table. It means elements occupy same position in the periodic table. By definition, isotopes, these are the atoms of the same element. These are the atoms of same elements with the same atomic number or proton number, but different nucleon number or mass number. It means these are the atoms. Isotopes are basically atoms of the same element and they have same atomic number but different mass number. Mass number is different for the isotopes because they have different neutrons number inside the nucleus of their atom. As we know, mass number is made up of, a mass number refers to the proton plus neutron. If atomic number is same, it means electrons and protons are same, but the neutrons number inside the nucleus of an atom is different for the isotopes. Let's have examples of isotopes. Different elements have different number of isotopes. A few examples will be discussed here. One of them is carbon. Carbon element has three isotopes. We know carbon element, the common carbon atom has atomic number 6 and the mass number 12. But in the universe, we have three types of the isotopes, three types of the atoms of the carbon element which are existing. Carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14. Carbon 12 means the atom of the carbon element which has atomic mass 12. Carbon 13 means atom of the carbon element having atomic mass 13. And carbon 14, atom of the carbon element which has atomic mass 14. These are the three isotopes of the element with the same number, with the mass number 12, 13 and 14, but their atomic number or the proton number is 6, which is same for all the three types of the atoms. It means that every carbon atom has 6 protons, so that the neutron numbers of these isotopes are 6, 7 and 8. If they have different mass number 12, 13 and 14, it means their neutron number will be different, that is 6, 7 and 8. Other example of the isotopes, very common example of the element hydrogen. It is the smallest element or the simplest element in the world. Hydrogen has three isotopes: protium, hydrogen 1, deuterium, hydrogen 2, and tritium, hydrogen 3. Similarly, another example of the element chlorine, this chlorine atom has two isotopes, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. It means chlorine 35 with a mass number and its atomic number is 17, and the second isotope of the chlorine with mass number 37 and atomic number 17. No need to mention atomic number because both isotopes of the chlorine, they have same atomic number. Isotopes are different due to their mass numbers. If we discuss about the structure of the isotopes, let's have a structure of hydrogen atom. Hydrogen 1, the first isotope, which is called protium, it has a one proton and it has no neutron and it has only one electron in its K shell. The structure of the H2 or the deuterium atom having one proton, one neutron and one electron in the first shell, that is K shell. Tritium, hydrogen 3, having one proton, two neutron and again has one electron in the K shell. If we look at the structure of the isotopes are same. They have same number of the shells, same number of electrons, same number of protons, but they are different due to the number of neutrons inside the nucleus. As you have seen, first isotope has no neutron, second isotope has one neutron, and the third isotope has two neutrons. Due to this difference in the number of the neutron, the mass number of the isotopes are different, and the isotopes are different due to their mass numbers and the neutron number. If we talk about the structure of the chlorine atom, chlorine isotopes, there are two isotopes of the chlorine, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. Chlorine 35, again, it has three shells. It has 17 electrons, 17 protons, and 18 neutrons. In case of chlorine 37, we have 3 shells in the structure having 17 electrons, 17 protons, and 20 neutrons. It means isotopes, they have same structure, but their nuclei are different due to the different number of the neutrons. Now, notation of the isotopes. Isotopes can be represented by writing the symbols along with the dash and the mass of that particular atom. As elements have different atoms, but that atom is taken as a common atom of the element whose percentage abundance in the universe is greater than the other atoms of the elements. For example, if we have 3 isotopes of the carbon, carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14, we took carbon 12 as a common carbon atom because its percentage abundance in the universe is higher than other 2 elements, so it will be taken as a common isotope or common element. Similarly, hydrogen 1, hydrogen 2, hydrogen 3. Out of these 3 isotopes of hydrogen, hydrogen 1 is taken as a common hydrogen atom because its percentage abundance in the universe is higher than the other 2 isotopes. Same is the case with the chlorine, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. Chlorine 35 is taken as a common chlorine atom because its percentage abundance is higher than the second isotopes. It is 75% in the universe and chlorine 37 is 25% in the universe. Now, what are the similarities between the isotopes of the same element? Isotopes of any element, they are same because they have same atomic number, they have same number of electrons, and they have same number of protons. And the fourth similarity is these isotopes, they have same chemical properties. Why they have same chemical properties? As chemical properties depends upon the number of electron in the last shell, in the valence shell. So chemical properties will be same as they have same number of electrons in their last shell. How the isotopes are different from one another? Isotopes of any element, they are different because they have different nucleon number, they have different mass number, they have different number of neutrons, and they have different physical properties. Physical properties depend upon the mass number as they have different mass numbers, so their physical properties will be different. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.